Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video we'll talk about what is tender. So what is tender and how it is used in the process of civil works. So this is quite an important topic, what is tender. So we'll study this about in detail, but before starting the video I will request you to subscribe our channel first if you have not subscribed it yet, and also press the bell notification icon. So now let's talk about tender. Tender is a set of documents which describe amount of work, rates, total cost, time of completion of the project, and method of payment to the contractor. So tender is basically a set of documents which describe our civil work amount, civil work rates, civil work total cost, and the complete time of completion of our civil project, and the methods of payment to the contractors. So these are basically documents which describe all of these things, all of these information. And why they describe all of these information? Because they are being used in a agreement with contractor. If we want to execute our civil work via third party contractor, we have to make an agreement. So there are two types of agreement that we make, and in my previous videos I have described that these two types: piecework agreement and contract agreement. So in contract agreement we require tender documents to make a full-fledged agreement with contractor. So tender document provides all of these things uh, between these two parties, like between the contractor and the client. So tender-based works are executed by the contractors in accordance with the PEPRA rules. Like these are the rules, the Public Procurement Regulatory Authority rules, PEPRA rules. So these rules are followed to execute civil works via contractors, and these rules are followed, which has legal authority for procurement of goods and services. Like these rules are for has a legal authority if you want to procure goods and services from the contractor. So these rules should be followed. So every country might have different rules. So there's a regulatory authority for civil works to procure goods and services from contractor. So, and tenders are opened normally within a week. If we give an advertisement in the press, in the newspaper, to call contractors for a meeting, so this is known as tender. This piece of advertisement is known as tender, and this process is known as tendering. So all the contractors are invited within a week, and the tenders are opened within a week in front of all contractors. And before that, ineligible tenders are rejected. Tenders which don't have sufficient documents along with them are rejected. So this process is known as tendering. And what is the purpose of tendering? Tendering is basically done for selecting the most suitable contractor which has the lowest bid and the high quality work among all of the contractors which apply on that ads. It just works like if we give an advertisement regarding job. So if we are an employer and we give an advertisement in the press, so all the candidates apply upon it. So the highest marks candidate will be selected and all other are rejected. So that's how the lowest bid of contractor is selected among all these contractors, and all other contractors are rejected. So this process is known as tendering, and this is done for selecting the most suitable contractor among all other contractors available in the market. So that's why we require this, and we make an agreement with that selected contractor via these tender documents. This is for agreement with them. So this is for now. In the next video I will tell you all about all the types of tender document, what things are included, what documents are included in the tender documents and for which purpose. So this is for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.